This is probably the craziest car that we've built yet.
White door panels, spray painted door panels. I want to keep you guys watching.
But this car's coming together super fast.
I got a carbon lip and carbon mirror.
The progress that has happened.
Do white interior, white door panels with the white 18-inch Moteki wheel. Let your mind run and see, like.
Just imagine a turbo.
It's like a teaser, you know, it's like you don't know.
Billet intake manifold. Let me just tell you, I can envision it right now.
Remember when I said details, right?
I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna make 500 horsepower. Turbo, it's just gonna be insane.
Everything's coming together like perfect.
Keeping it clean, keeping it simple.
Comment below what do you guys like the most about the build so far.
Morning guys, I kid you not, on every single build that we do, things never go according to plan. Wouldn't you say so, J-Rock? So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what just happened. Originally, we're supposed to use the K-tuned intake manifold. Got the electric water pump kit, electric water pump bracket. Jordan's actually putting it on right now. Alternator came in from S2000 with the sleeve from Track Tough and the water plate. It does not fit with the intake manifold. It's either we return all this stuff back to Track Tough, and this is probably the best alternator setup you could use on the K-series with electric water pump kit. It's honestly the best. I love it, it works great. So what we decided to do is we're gonna kick the manifold to the curb for now. We are gonna get a Gato, because we know the Gato one fits, because these runners sit a little bit lower. It sucks because I already ordered all the parts, so now this is the part of the build where stuff, you buy things 2 times or 3 times and make sure it fits. Shout out to one of the subscribers, gave us a free sunroof, super dope, dropped it off this morning. So we'll be able to get this all cleaned up and back in the car. That's basically where we're at right now. We're gonna try to put things on, take things off, put things on, take things off. It's just, it's pretty tedious. That's what we're running into this morning. We got the sandwich plate from Speed Factory, just got in here. And then shout out to Resto Tuner. They have all the OEM decals. I say that pretty much in every video. It's all about the details. So we got a new sticker for the gas cap, new hardware here, looking pretty good. So far today, I think we're gonna get the water pump on. We're gonna put sandwich plate, alternator, bracket, and kind of see how everything sits in the engine bay and kind of move forward from there. It just sucks because like the intake manifold is a big piece to the puzzle here before we can do anything to the front end. Pretty much everything's at powder coat. When everything comes back, we'll start assembly. lot of progress on the orange EG hatch today. I'll give you guys another recap. Hope you guys enjoyed the montage. So we got the 2 front doors pretty much all buttoned up, got the glass in, all the trim, new moldings, put the carbon fiber mirrors up here. J-Rock put down all the wiring today, fuse box, literally pretty much all the interior wiring. Not everything, but mostly everything. So all the sunroof stuff. We still have to lay the conversion harness in tomorrow, but the doors for the most part are pretty much almost all buttoned up. We just need to put like obviously door panels, clips, stuff of that nature. They all close, they work. So that's a plus. Honestly, little by little it's coming together. This is all the tedious stuff that everyone hates doing. We don't like it a lot, but it has to be done. So all the doors are pretty much back together. I ordered clips to cover the door cylinders from like Honda CR, so I'm getting those painted. Pretty much all the wiring is in the car for the interior. Tomorrow's plan is to put the engine sub harness in, the K-tuned sub harness, put the dash back up, kind of make it look a little bit more complete. But I'll tell you what, the outside of the car looks pretty complete with the 2 front doors completed with all the moldings, mirrors. We kind of just threw the back window on here. I don't know if this is the last window. We have another window we have with a block off for the rear wiper. So I don't know if this is the one that's gonna stay up here, but for now, we have all the glass in. Taillights are in. J-Rock hit them with the buffer. They actually look really, really good. Those of you guys at home, if your taillights look ashy, just hit them with some compound or some wax and they'll come out pretty good. As far as the engine goes, we got the radiator and intercooler mounted. We already had mounts for this, so that's why it went on pretty quickly. These are the mounts that we use. They bolt up right here to like factory location. We go to the intercooler. Same thing on this side. Waiting on the Gato billet intake manifold. Obviously it comes billet, it's not black. I know they offer them in black, they just don't have them at the moment. I'm gonna get it, put it on, see how it looks like. But for the meantime, we have the Track Tough plate, S2000 alternator, Miser water pump with the bracket on for now. And then also put the Jack Cartel VTC strainer, just for a little bit dress up hardware. Stuff that you see on the car right now, some stuff is not the stuff that's staying on here. We're gonna be taking stuff on and off for the next few days to see what fits, what looks good, what doesn't look good. This is probably the craziest car that we've built yet. I think we're gonna build. Trying to get everything together here, it's a lot. It's a lot for just 4 people. The progress that has happened in the past 3 to 5 days is just insane. Just imagine the turbo right there. It's gonna look so good. Turbo, billet intake manifold, it's gonna look insane. Heat coated manifold in black. Let me just tell you, I can envision it right now. All I gotta tell you guys is the wheel combo that he chose for this car, wheel and tire combo, it's just gonna be insane. End of the day here today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think we'll do most of the wiring, interior, steering column, stuff of that nature. It'll look more complete tomorrow as far as wiring goes. And then waiting for stuff from Powder Coat, waiting for a few more parts from Honda. And then we could like mainly button it up, intake manifold, put the fuel tank back up. Got the sunroof, gonna put that back up. And mainly all the cables, seals, stuff of that nature. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys do me a favor, drop in the comments. I would like you guys' feedback. Do you guys like the way I'm shooting? Do you guys like the montage? Do you guys wanna see something different? I love to get you guys' feedback. I go through all the comments, but I'd love to see you guys' feedback on this. Just let me know if you guys want to see something different. You guys want me to shoot something? What else? Do you guys want me to talk more? Do you guys want me to talk less? What is it that you guys want to know? I try to shoot as much as I can for you guys. So let me know in the comments. Much appreciated. Thanks, guys. Good morning, guys. I think day 4, day 5, who knows, working on the EG hatch. We got brake lines in. We have a custom set of brake lines that we save measurements for all our EG hatchbacks. Our friend Mike at MPH Fabrications makes the brake lines for us. E-brake cables pretty much all ran. Still need to wrap the liner a bunch of the underneath of the car, but came with pretty nice brackets. And then we put the rear brake lines on already today and ran them through here. For the most part, it's looking pretty good. Gonna wrap the liner the rest of the underneath of the car. Got the new starter in, hybrid racing shift box. Still waiting for the manifold to come in, but the car's coming along pretty good. There's all the tedious, the small stuff. We are leaving for Honda Day in 1 day. So if you guys are going to Honda Day, we'll be there. I'll see you guys there. Progress on the car will pretty much stop. And then after this, you guys will see racing content, which I'm excited for. Jamie's going, my brother's going, and J-Rock's going. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be basically like Pan Am Part 2, but at Honda Day. So I can't wait. Little progress here before we leave to Honda Day. I'll get all the coverage for you guys. Then I'll see you guys at the racetrack. As far as brake lines go, we use like a -3. We have like, obviously, some of them are 90s, some of them are straights. So these are what the brake lines look like. We have all the measurements from previous EG hatchbacks that we do. So They're pretty much all the same. Mike MPH makes them. Huge shout out to Mike, thank you. This is the front kit here. The back's already on. Waiting on 90 bulkheads to come in to finish the front. And then that'll be it for the brake lines. Key thing to brake lines is keeping it clean, keeping it simple, tucked. Our prop valve goes behind the firewall. So we have a grommet set that we usually use whenever we run brake lines through like the chassis of a car or whatever to make it look clean. I'll show you where we use one of them at. So we use one of them to go through the back of the car right here. This is where the rear toe adjusters go. So we run them clean pretty much through here. Also, those of you guys that are looking for the emergency brake cables, if you guys didn't watch the last video, I got them from AutoZone. They're Dorman emergency brake cables. Like I said, I paid I think like $100 for left and right side. Pretty dope because they're discontinued. And then starter, I found online a Denso starter. I think this was like $180, $170. Good starter. I've used these in the past. Jarek had to cut the bottom of the starter. I'm gonna clean it up in a second. But basically, it had hit the top of the water pump. If you guys put electric water pump kit, that's something you're gonna have to do. Cut the bottom of the starter. So we got the starter all mounted up. I'll show you guys the shift box that we are using. We're using a Hybrid Racing no-cut shift box, so to keep a clean look inside the car. Also came in a new set of emergency brake cable hardware, clips, brackets, the pins that usually freeze. We got shifter cable hardware, waiting for the shift cables to come in. My brother just mounted up the gas tank, super easy, just 2 straps. Carbon fiber rear spoiler. I told my brother I wanted to do the EG6 SIR wing. I don't know, it's up in the air. Drop in the comments, what do you think should go good? With the look he's trying to get, I think the carbon wing's gonna look pretty good. I like the EG6, and then he wants to do the carbon. Drop in the comments, what would you have done? Why no EG6, bro?
I got a carbon lip and carbon mirrors for it, so the look I'm going for, the EG6 wing wouldn't match.
So gas tank's all put up. We're gonna run the rest of the brake lines after Honda Day, and then we're just basically doing all the small stuff right now. We're waiting on shift cables, engine harness, powder coat, but this car's coming together super fast.
Remember when I said details, right? So if you wanted the EG6 wing, we should have put an OEM front lip and OEM mirrors. But since we got a carbon lip and carbon mirrors, we need a carbon wing.
I agree.
So it kind of just flows.
Can we show them the wheels?
No, not in this episode. I want to keep you guys watching. Let your mind run and see, like, cause like a teaser, you know, it's like you don't know what wheels are gonna be on the car yet, and that's gonna be the last piece that probably goes on the car. I'm waiting for the calipers to come back and the rest of the suspension, the subframe brace. Once those pieces come back, then I'll put the wheels on the car. So far the build's coming together pretty good. I'm really happy with this car. Everything's coming together like perfect how I envisioned it. But I want you guys to comment below, what's your favorite part about the build? Do you like the color? Do you like that it's an SI? Like, what do you like? Do you like it's a K series, it's gonna be turbo, whatever it is? Comment below what do you guys like the most about the build so far. The wheels, we'll see the wheels later on, and that's when you guys are gonna really like the car.
I need you guys to get excited for a Honda Day. We're going to Honda Day again. This is like basically part 2 to Pan Am's. All the guys are gonna be there. It's gonna be insane. Super dope, because we didn't get to finish the last event. The weather's looking really good for this weekend, so I'm excited to leave. We're actually leaving in one day. Gonna load the trailers up today and tomorrow, and then we're out the door basically in like less than a day. That's the plan for this upcoming weekend.
I want you guys to comment below, what do you guys like about the build? What do you guys think I'm gonna do for the interior? Like I said, I got something special for the wheels and something really special for the interior, and something we never done before. So I want you guys to guess below what I'm gonna do for the interior, or what would you guys do for the interior? What would you do?
All white. All white.
Somebody said that white door panels, spray painted door panels.
Yeah, if this was you, he would paint the door panel. But this is his build. You should let him rock.
You would do white interior, white door panels with the white 18-inch Moteki wheel.
White Regas.
White Regas. J-Rock would do white Regas with halo headlights. Yeah, you would. I want you guys to wish my guys good luck this weekend. If you guys are at Honda Day, stop by, say what up. All 3 of us will be there. It's gonna be insane. Part 2 to Pan Am's. I can't wait. We got the spoiler pretty much installed on the car. Looks a little naked, missing the emblems and obviously the full interior. We'll put the brake lines to the master. We still are missing some dress up hardware to tie them all together. That'll be pretty much it here for the day. We are leaving to Honda Day, so we are gonna unload the race cars now, get them all checked over, pack them back up, and head out tomorrow to the racetrack. Sorry I couldn't show you guys too much on here because we're gonna put this aside to get the race cars situated, and I get to bring you guys Honda Day content. So I'm excited for another race event. It's super dope because I can bring you guys something different, like from the builds down to the race events, which is super dope. But we will get back to this next week. Hopefully all our parts show up, that way we can get the car pretty much 90% finished. I can't wait to see this thing actually turn on the dyno. I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna make 500 horsepower and show you guys the wheel setup. So if you guys are at Honda Day, please stop by, say what's up. If not, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Race car prep, just unloaded the trailer. Food, huh? Let me get a message from Ed real quick.
I'm busting that ass and he knows it.
What about Jamie?
Him too. I'm busting everybody's ass.
You stole my wing?
I don't know what you're talking about.
J-Rock stole my wing. I know he did.
I don't know what
He
you're talking
seen me bust a 30, he stole my wing and put it in his car, so he go to 30.
How he get from our shop to your shop? Just to detail. Talk about OCD, right?
I ain't mad at it though.
I
really ain't mad at it.
I ain't mad at it either. This extra footage.
I feel like the shoe is on the other foot today. I kind of like it.
Me too.
Yo, Ahmed, you're doing a great job, bro.
Great job.
Keep up the good work.
I want you to comment below. This is my car now, right?
HJ prep.
Damn, I wish my car had a rear view camera, because this is what it would look like right now. Us at the track, you in the back.
Driver, keep going straight.
Yo,
I'm giving you a bad rating.
Yo, how does it feel to be in the back?
It feels nice. This is what luxury is.
No, this is how much buses I'm putting on you at the track.
Nah.
And we'll insert 2 buses right here between us.
I wish I could. I don't know how to edit that yet. All right, before I let you guys go, I want to give you guys a good laugh. So you guys remember in the last Pan Am video, they made custom t-shirts of me. Well, J-Rock had like this pick stitch. He had a different picture, but I kind of edited the picture. So I'm going to drop right now the photo that they did of me at the track. So we had to all wear these t-shirts over the weekend or whatever. Drop the picture right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about, just in case you missed it. So they did like a Glizzy Gang shirt with a picture of my face in the back. Now I'm gonna get them back. I'm gonna show you guys the shirt. I'm gonna round the guys up real quick. You guys are gonna laugh at this and we'll get their reaction. It's insane. It's super funny. So I figured before I close this video out, I'll give you guys a really good laugh. I'm not selling these t-shirts. These are just for fun in between us. Let's go get their reaction. So you guys remember the last event. The group chat's been on fire since last night. J-Rock wanted to make a custom shirt. He thought he had the one up on Ahmed and Jamie today, right? So I'm gonna let Jamie do the honors today. This has nothing to do with you.
Christmas is closer to the season of giving, and I was due, so got horsepower.
Let me see the back.
My God, mother.
I'm gonna drop the original photo that J-Rock sent me. Yo, he tried to get you. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna play one on both of them this weekend. We all rocking that shirt on Sunday.
I want my money back, you man. Where's my money?
Yo, let me see that good shirt. I sent the picture to my sister yesterday. She goes, that's not even a horse. All right, boys, we'll see you guys on Sunday. All of us are gonna be wearing that t-shirt.